Hi, this is Don Joe Franklin again with Franklin Global Capital, and today I am going to give a brief example on how to trade negative correlated currency pairs using the Franklin Forex indicator set um, on longer term time frames. So let's In this example, I am using the Australian US dollar against the US dollar Japanese yen. This is the latest data. Actually, this data goes. I'm using a 240-minute chart. Basically, this is a median turn time frame to use. Um, and the ending date for this is March 11th, 2011. And basically, what I'm doing is I'm showing you how to use this indicator, or basically give you an example of what this indicator can do, the Franklin Volatility Index, for trading negative correlated currency pairs. Um, for example, each one of the bands represents a significant level statistically. Ideally, we like to see the purple band, go above the gold band or go below the gold band, cross back up or cross back down, and then that gives us our signal. As you can see right here, the Australian dollar is plotted using the black line on close, and the U.S. Japanese yen is using the green line on close. And right here you can see we received a sell signal, and basically this signal told us to short the Australian dollar and to go long on the US Japanese yen. And as you can see, as the purple band started to decrease, the Australian dollar took a little bit of time, but not much. It started to decelerate as the U.S. Japanese yen started to accelerate, and as the purple band was falling, these two um, began to converge um, together. So see right here, you would have had a nice profit on both sides. Currently, we received a signal. We received a signal right here. It briefly began to converge, but as you can see, it fell apart. And I mean, this happens. And there's no such thing as a perfect signal. But once this would have been like an exit point, or like a stop loss. And once again, I mean, this is a higher time frame, so typically implementing a 1 to 2% risk would have been sufficient. But then we received a long signal, and basically that's telling us to buy the Australian dollar and short the yen. And as you can see, the Australian dollar started to surge as the yen started to fall again. And as we go back into time, you can see the various signals for this. We received another sell signal. Again, the Australian dollar converged, started to fall, and the yen started to rise. They converged together, continue to go back. Um, and then here's another one. And you can also use these bands in the middle as signals as well. So there's many different ways to trade negative correlated pairs. Here's another one. So this is trading negative correlated pairs with the Franklin Forex indicator set.